Hey everyone, I'm going to show you how you can cast your ESPN on your TV. So to cast it from your Android device, what you can do is you can open the ESPN application on your phone and you can go to the video that you want to play. So for example, if I open this sports video right here. So when I open it, I can go and press the cast button. And if you have your smart TV turned on and connected to the same Wi-Fi, it will automatically open the ESPN application and it is going to show you this screen. So as soon as it connects with your phone, whatever is playing on your phone will start to play on your smart TV as well. So as you can see right here, the video I've played on my mobile phone is now casted on my smart TV. So now I can play whatever I want to play on my phone and it will also play on my smart TV. So I hope this was helpful. Thank you so much for watching.